Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with PKO Bank Polski. Review my usage experience. PKO Bank Polski Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive overview of Poland's largest bank, PKO Bank Polski. It's targeted at anyone considering using their services, whether for personal or business banking, aiming to provide insights into account management, online banking features, and overall user experience. Key features would likely include online banking access, mobile app functionality, if available, and a range of financial products. Their website provides details on all their offerings. PKO Bank Polski's positioning emphasizes its extensive branch network across Poland coupled with a modern digital banking platform. Benefits mentioned on their website include secure online transactions and 24/7 access to accounts. They highlight ease of use and a range of services, though specific pricing details often depend on the chosen product. Availability is nationwide in Poland. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using PKO Bank Polski's services. I decided to open a basic checking account online. The initial setup was surprisingly straightforward. The website was in Polish, but using Google Translate made it easily navigable. I found the interface intuitive enough, even for someone who isn't fluent in the language. Transferring money between accounts was quick and reliable. I used it to pay several bills without any issues. The online banking platform itself was responsive and easy to navigate. Finding transaction history and managing my account details was hassle-free. I had a quick question about transferring funds internationally, and their support team responded within 2 days via email, providing a helpful explanation. A standout feature for me was the detailed transaction history, making budgeting much easier. One minor drawback was the lack of an English language option on the mobile app, though the website was partially translatable. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with PKO Bank Polski's services. While navigating the website initially required some translation work, the functionality and reliability made up for it. That's my overview of PKO Bank Polski. Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.